Hello students, this video will tell you about how to apply online in IIHS for admission process. Firstly, you have to open the IIHS website named iihskuk.in. There you will find the tab admission. Just click on it. Then click on apply for UG 5-year integrated courses. Now the name of courses with their link will display on the screen. From here you have to select your course. Suppose I am selecting the BSc Medical. When you will click on this link, then this page will appear on the screen. Here we have applied for BSc Medical. Here we will have to write first name, then middle name, last name, email ID, mobile number and enter CAPTCHA. This is the CAPTCHA and after that we have to click on the register button. Now I have filled all the detail. Just click on the register button. After clicking on the register button, the OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number and to the email ID. So I am writing my OTP. Just click on the verify button. After clicking on the verify button, your username and password will be sent again to your mobile number and also to your email ID. Now all the guidelines related to your admission process will be displayed here. So you have to read all the instructions carefully. Just scroll it down and click on the next button. Now the page related to personal information will appear on the screen. In this page, first column is of the full name. There is no need to write full name here again because the entries which are taken during the registration process will appear here automatically, like full name, email and mobile number, etc. In this column you have to write the name which has been written on your 10th mark sheet. Next is the column for mother's name. In this column you have to write the mother name. In the father's name column you have to write the father name. Next is the column of date of birth. Here you have to select your date of birth from the calendar. Next is the column for upload your signature. Here you have to upload your signature. Next is the section for uploading your image. So you have to upload your image by clicking on upload image button. This image should be in the JPG or PNG format. Next is the column for the gender. From here you have to select your gender. Now just scroll it down. Next column is for the residential address information. Here you have to write your address. And next is the column for permanent address information. If your permanent address is same as your residential address, then click on same as above. Now the same address is also appearing in the permanent address information column. Next is the column for other information. In the other information column, you can select your nationality from this drop down list. And here you have to write your Aadhaar number. Next section relates to the category information. If you are the SC from Haryana, then click on the yes. Otherwise, click on no. And if you have clicked on yes, then it will ask you for the subcategory. You can select your subcategory from this drop down list. And here you will have to write your annual income. And if this option is no, then it will ask you for the BC category. If you belong to BC category, then click on yes, otherwise click on no. Next, it will ask you from the economic weaker section of Haryana. If you belong to the economic weaker section of Haryana, then click on yes, otherwise click on no. Now, it will ask you for whether you qualify last degree from Haryana state. If yes, otherwise click on no. Your last qualifying degree will be +2. Next, it will ask you from the domicile certificate of Haryana state. If you have the domicile certificate of Haryana state, then click on yes, otherwise click on no. Next section is of the subcategory information. In the subcategory information, you have to select your subcategory. Either you belong to differently abled, PWD, PH, blind, or you are a dependent of freedom fighter, or you are a ex-serviceman. So you can select your subcategory from this place. Next column is for the additional supernumerary information. Here the applicants have to fill the information very carefully. If you click on yes, it may ask you for further information. For example, in sports column, if you click on yes, it will ask you for how many times you have represented in the university, state, national and international level. For the time being, I am taking this option as no. Next is the option of Kashmiri migrants. If you click on this option, then it will ask you for the type, whether you are a Kashmiri migrant or a Kashmiri Pandit. Suppose I have selected this option as Kashmiri migrants. In the similar way, all the information should be filled very carefully, and after then you have to click on save and next button. In this page, you have to fill the detail of 10th exam. Firstly, you have to select either from the percent system or CGPA system. If you are selecting the percent system, here you will have to write your total marks. Here you will have to write the marks obtained. Then the percentage will be calculated automatically. But if you are selecting the CGPA system, then you will have to write your grade here, and your percentage will be calculated automatically if you belong to the Haryana board or CBSE board. And for the other boards, students have to write their percentage manually. Next is the column of roll number. Here you will have to write the roll number of 10th exam. From here you will have to select your year of passing. Like I have selected 2019. From here you will have to select your board. Suppose you belong to CBSE board, then your percentage will be calculated automatically. In the next column, you will have to write your school name, and next column is for the place. And next you will have to click on save and next button. In the similar way, you have to fill the detail of plus 2 exam. But when you fill the detail, there is an additional column of stream as shown in the video. From here, you have to select your stream and then click on save and next button. This page is specifically for science stream students who are applying for the medical and non-medical streams. Science students have to give preference for the subject combination. For example, if the student is interested in biochemistry, botany and zoology, then he has to select number 1 from this drop-down list. And if the student is also interested in chemistry, botany, zoology, then he has to select number 2 from this drop-down list. If student is interested only in one subject combination, then he have to leave another 2 combination as blank. Here 1 means first priority for the subject combination and 2 means second priority for the subject combination, and so on. So after selecting your choice, then you will have to click on save and next button. In this page, you have to upload your documents like 10th mark sheet, plus 2 mark sheet, sports certificate and other documents like NCC, NSS, category certificates, etc. as per the selection you have given in the previous sections. For uploading 10th mark sheet, you have to click on the upload document button, and from your computer you have to select your file. Suppose I am selecting sh1.pdf and then click on open. Your file will be shown here. This is your file. One important point to remember that document could be in .jpg, PNG and PDF format, and its size should not be more than 2 MB, and in the similar way we have to upload other documents. After uploading all the required documents, simply click on Save and Next button. This page will show the information which is previously filled by you, and if you want to change the information, then you can edit this information. Important point to remember, information can be added only before the payment. In the last, you have to click on online payment mode. Fee can be paid by UPI ID or any other online payment option. You can print your form for your future reference after payment. College has no refund policy for multiple deposit of fees. Next instructions relates to multiple forms by same student. Suppose now you are trying to apply for other course BCA, then open its link and this page will appear on the screen. So you have to fill all the required detail in new applicant registration form. This is the new applicant registration form, so we have to fill all the detail here. Now I am filling all the required details. Now it will display the dialog box which shows that you have already applied for BSc medical course. So we have to click on yes. Now it will ask you for the detail. So we have to fill all this detail. Now I have filled all the details. Click on save, and after clicking the save, it will verify your information and take you to the student login page. In this way, one student can apply for multiple courses with same student email ID